Hey there, if your Samsung phone is stuck in safe mode, don't worry, you're not alone. I've got 11 quick solutions to get you back to normal and fully functional. Let's get your device out of safe mode and back to business. Part 1. Why is my phone locked on safe mode? Faulty button, software issues, unstable apps, startup mispress, update errors. Part 2. Samsung phone stuck in safe mode. 10 quick fixes. Fix 1. Exit safe mode manually. Fix 2. Check for stuck keys. Fix 3. Try recovery mode. Fix 4. Exit the mode from notification tray. Fix 5. Uninstall malicious apps. Fix 6. Take out the battery. Fix 7. Clear cache partition. Fix 8. Update Android OS. Fix 9. Factory reset Samsung. Fix 10. Repair your damaged phone. Part 3. Fix Samsung Galaxy stuck in safe mode with professional software. Your Samsung phone may remain in safe mode despite the basic troubleshooting methods mentioned earlier. In this case, it is advisable to utilize a specialized tool such as Android Repair. Step 1. Begin by installing and launching the System Repair tool on your computer. Once the program is open, select the System Repair tab at the top of the window and connect your Galaxy device to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. From the left-hand menu, select Android Repair, review the options available, and click Start. In the subsequent window, provide the necessary information about your device and click Next to proceed. Step 3. Enter 00000 in the designated field and click Confirm. Please be aware that utilizing the system repair may result in the loss of data on your Samsung device. Step 4. To enter download mode on your device, follow these instructions. For Samsung devices with the home button, power off, then press and hold Power Home. Volume down for 10 seconds. Release and press volume up to enter download mode. For Samsung devices without a home button, power off the device, then press and hold the power, Bixby, and volume down buttons for about 10 seconds. Release the buttons and then press volume up. Step 5. After the phone is in the mode, click Next to download firmware for it. Finally, the program will begin repairing your phone system and help your phone get out of safe mode automatically.